guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I want to apologize for my background because we have family in town right now and we have a whole bunch of kids running around in the background, so I do apologize for that. Anywho, I am back with another I'm back with another hair wash video. The last time I did a hair wash, I did not have aloe vera because I thought I was great. But when I tell you, we all felt it. We all were crying, and it was not a pretty sight in here without aloe vera doing hair wash day for nobody. I was crying, they were crying. So this time I went and got my aloe vera because I was not playing no games, absolutely none. And so I went ahead and I detangled the ponytail first because I had their hair up in a ponytail. I took it down from the previous style they were wearing, and then I did not detangle it. Hey, dance break. Hey. Okay, pause. Let me be great. I was dancing because they were watching Bad Namu, and I was dancing to it, and I like it. I got a ponytail. I got a ponytail. It's the ponytail and Party on the Ocean Floor for me. But anyways, I detangled the ponytail first because when I took their hair down, I did not detangle anything, and then their hair was matted. Okay. And so I detangled the ponytail first because number one, it helps to alleviate tension on his scalp for when I am trying to section out the hair. And number two, it makes the sectioning of the hair a lot easier because I don't have to fight to get the ends to come apart so I can actually section the hair. So that's why I go ahead and I detangle the ponytail first. And then I just continue the process until I get everything detangled. Hey, go get it. Hey. But yeah, so the detangling process is very easy. The amount of slip that is in this thing, oh my gosh, look how easy this is parting. Like I can literally just pull the hair apart and I'm not fighting with the ends. But anyways, I love. I can't say enough about aloe vera. I love aloe vera. And I don't know what kind of where Publix got this aloe vera this time. It's given. It's bitter. It has the good level of bitterness to it, and it smells like aloe vera. This is the second time I've gotten that from Publix, and it smells like that because the ones before, my kids used to just eat them. I was like, how do you eat that? That thing is so bitter. But now they try to do the same thing, and they just don't. It's just not like the ones before. So this is working. This is giving everything it's supposed to be gave. Okay. And so I do that all throughout his hair. I will spray, then I will do the aloe vera juice thing with my finger. That's how I like to do it for them. For me, I'll scoop it out, blend, and do all that stuff. But for them, I'm on the go. I don't have time. So for them, I will just, bring the juice out with my fingers or whatever, however I do it. And then I will put it all over the hair, and then I'll add my shampoo, and then I'll scrub their scalp, and then I will detangle their hair. I'm going to do the same thing on the other half of the hair. And then I go to my sink. Now, the thing about my sink is I never used to wash my kids' hair in my sink because I don't know if it's a Haitian households thing, but it's frowned upon if you do anything other than clean meat and poultry in your sink or wash dishes in there. So I never used to use the sink to do anything for the kids' hair. I used to struggle in my bathtub or my bathroom sink, and it was just horrible. And then I was like, you know what? I am no longer living with my mama, so I'm just going to use my sink and do as I please because I am grown, okay? And so I use my sink, and it's been a life-changing situation for me, for them, because water's not in people's face and all that good stuff. So I go over to the sink, and I do what I do, and then boom, we're here, and we're going to style his hair, and then I will let you guys enjoy that, and I will come back later when we are done. See you on the other side. Okay, so for wash days, I usually don't do anything complicated, like as far as styling their hair. I usually just put it in some twists because they've already been sitting for way too long, and an intricate style would take me even longer. And they usually will sit for about 1 good hour before they start fidgeting and not wanting to do this anymore. So, because wash day is already a long process, I don't try to style their hair in a complicated situation. So I'll save that for a day that I'm not washing. And I don't think I've recorded like I usually record my hair wash routines and like hair wash day style, like hairstyle, but I don't think I've recorded like a day where I do their hair in an intricate style situation on a day that I'm not washing. So if you guys want to see that, comment below and I record one just for you. But let me know, comment below if you want to see what I do with their hair when I'm not washing their hair, because I feel like I do this all the time, but I'm like, I swear I do other things with their hair. It's just when I'm washing, it's just already a long process. So the style is usually very simple so I can get them out of my chair. And we're all happy. Here we are, all done. His hair is all nice and clean. His curls are popping. It's very shiny. And the whole process took me about under an hour. Usually when I don't have aloe vera, I'm looking at an hour, hour and a half easily. And neither one of us cried today. So today was definitely a win. All right, that is all. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. But until then, I hope to see you in the comment section. Bye.